In this video, you'll learn how the YouTube algorithm works in 2026 and the best niche strategy for explosive growth. First, craft titles and thumbnails that increase click-through rates. Then, use shorts to drive traffic to your long-form videos. Grow smarter media, monetization before 1,000 subscribers, advanced analytic strategies. This is your roadmap to YouTube success in 2026. Evolved. AI has changed content creation, and small creators are growing faster than ever, but only if they understand the new rules. Today, I'm giving you the complete 2026 YouTube growth blueprint. YouTube no longer pushes videos, it pushes viewer satisfaction. Key ranking signals, click-through rate. Let's break down the YouTube algorithm. Key metrics include rewatch behavior and audience satisfaction surveys matter for ranking. Explain impressions versus views, why consistency matters less than performance, why small channels go viral. In 2026, broad niches die, specific niches dominate. Who plus problem plus desired result. Let's brainstorm some content niches, like AI tools for student entrepreneurs, budget fitness for busy dads, and faceless YouTube automation for beginners. Explain audience clarity, compounding, authority, algorithmic, categorization. Top performing formats, case studies, experiments, 30-day challenges. Use case as your conflict and challenges for the solution and result. Let's break it down. Hook, conflict, solution, result. Entertainment earns clicks, education earns trust, storytelling earns loyalty. Every story follows a structure. Hook, conflict, solution, result, and lesson. This creates engaging narratives that stick with your audience. I tested YouTube growth for 30 days. The results are shocking. Small channels are winning. The secret to viral titles, curiosity gap plus clear outcome. This formula hooks viewers instantly. Shorts are discovery engines. Long form is your business. Strategy, post 3 shorts per long form video. Comments. This drives traffic from shorts to your full videos. Pin comment linking to full video. Subscriber quality differences. Long form drives deeper engagement. Watch time stacking, authority building. Stack watch time from shorts to build authority in long form. AI is not replacing creators, it's amplifying them. Uses, script outlines, SEO research. Let's use AI to create a killer thumbnail. Now for the hook, something viral and engaging, and a competitor breakdown to find our edge. My workflow starts with an idea, which AI turns into an outline. Then I add my personality and make the final edits. You don't need monetization enabled to make money. Methods, affiliate marketing, digital products. Let's visualize trust-based monetization, coaching, freelance, and micro-niche sponsorships. This builds passive income through trust. Stop checking views, start studying behavior. Focus on audience retention and CTR testing. That's how you build real income. Digital income streams. This laptop shows multiple revenue icons. Let's look at traffic sources. See, 40% are returning viewers. Digital income streams create passive revenue. To optimize, identify drop-off points, improve hooks, and A/B test thumbnails. Here's the 2026 YouTube growth loop. Clear niche, high CTR packaging, strong hook. Retention-focused storytelling, smart shorts funnel, analytics refinement, monetize authority, repeat. If you're serious about YouTube growth in 2026, subscribe now, because consistency plus strategy equals inevitability. Goodbye until next time.